Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're just going to show you midline Alpine Butterfly. Well, not midline, we're still going to tie an Alpine Butterfly. Some people may refer to it as a bunny Alpine Butterfly. So this one is canopy anchor for your SRS system. So let's say you forgot to install your ring at the bottom of your rope and you set your line up and it's already set in the canopy and you're like, oh crap, I forgot. So this is a way to still get it on there and set your canopy anchor with the ring. So the first step is we're still going to tie an Alpine, but you want to leave yourself some big loops. So that's going to be the big key right there. So you're going to need a big loop. It might be a little short, but it'll still work. We'll make it function. Now we'll take the ring here and we're going to install it on the butterfly loop here. Push it through. Now, this is the key. You're going to open up your butterfly right here. You're going to push that butterfly loop, and now you're going to go over on top of the ring and around this way. We're going to tie, dress, set. Make sure we make it look pretty. Set it correctly, because that's the important step when tying knots. TDS, tie, dress, set. Get it on there, and look at that. We've managed to install the ring. Even though that I have forgotten to do it before here. Install your rope and we're set to go. Send that up to the canopy and ready to climb. So hopefully that helps. You know, I've had times where I've forgotten to install my ring on there before, and I'm not a big fan of the rope on rope. Just in the event that I do drop through a redirect, then it could be a little bit difficult to retrieve. But yeah. Check us out, bartlettman.com. Visit us on Google, or search us up on Google, I should say, right? Search us, Bartlett Arborist Supply. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop a like down the video and check out the rest of the videos we got.